19, so if anybody wishes to stretch your legs, you're more than welcome to do so. Folks, we do have about 35 odd customers joining us here, and for our customers travelling in cars A for Alpha and F for Foxtrot, we do actually need to place a platform ramp in the position here at the doors just to assist customers joining us to join us here on the train. So if you do wish to stretch your legs there, folks, just please be patient while we get those ramps on. I'll have the station master here place an announcement across the platform if you have leave the service to stretch your legs, but once you do hear the conductor's whistle, it does mean our imminent departure. Also too, if you may have jumped to a different seat because the train is quite empty here at the moment, if you can kindly make your way back to your allocated seat just to avoid any embarrassment if you are seated in a Gladstone customer's seat. Once again, folks, on the approach to the platform very soon, platform here on the right, and we'll be here until 8:19. Thanks, folks. Welcome to Gladstone.
Always watch your step when boarding or disembarking the train. We encourage you to take caution when moving throughout the train. Make sure you hold the grab rail or back of the seats as you move through the train, as unexpected train movement can cause injury. Please check to ensure the aisle is clear of any luggage and secure your belongings either under the seat in front or in the overhead compartments. Please take a moment to read through the safety card in your seat pocket. It's important to familiarise yourself with the exit procedure in the unlikely event of an emergency. In case of an emergency evacuation when not stopped at a platform, we may be required to use an emergency ladder to disembark. Please leave all your belongings and follow the onboard staff's instructions or announcement. You'll also find some great safety and travel tips in our onboard magazine, Embark, to ensure your journey is safe and hassle-free. Our onboard staff are here to make your journey a safe and comfortable one. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for your time. Enjoy your journey through Queensland by rail.
Very good morning, folks. Warm welcome on board to our customers that have joined us at Mount Larkham and our Gladstone stations. You're travelling on board Q992, where the Rockhampton Tilt train service travelling through to Brisbane Roma Street, and we're stopping all stations today as we go down the hill. Folks, my name's Brendan. I'm your train supervisor for the journey today. Working alongside me is James, he's your passenger attendant. James and I'll be coming through shortly just to check your tickets. For those of you who've joined us at the last two stops here, if you've purchased your ticket with any concession cards, if you can kindly have those concession cards at the ready as well. And if you're yet to download the PDF that's attached to the email entitled Rail Ticket that has your ticket attached, if you can kindly do so now, we have some phone reception. So a couple of housekeeping rules for those of you who just joined us. The last two stops, firstly for our smokers, vapers and e-cigarette users, just a kind reminder that it is an offence to smoke on board all Queensland Rail trains and platforms. This train has been fitted with smoke detection devices, so should you smoke or even choose to have a sneaky vape, it will set the alarms off in the train here, alert the staff and contact the Queensland Police to come and remove you from this service. So if you can kindly refrain, that'd be great. Also too, we are a licensed service from 10 AM, so if you brought any alcohol on board with you that you thought you might like to enjoy for your journey, you will need to keep that in your bag till you reach your final destination, please folks. There is a menu card in the seat pocket there in front of you, just outlining the items we do have available should you wish to partake. But like I said, alcoholic items are only available for sale after 10 AM today, which will be just after we leave Bundaberg. Now with regards to catering today, we are operating out of two serveries. The first one in the leading end of car B for Bravo, the second one will be at the leading end of car E for Echo. Now, normally out of Gladstone we do provide you with a refreshment trolley service. Just due to operational restrictions this morning, folks, we cannot provide that, so the galleys are open for those of you who wish to make any purchases. You can kindly make your way through to there. Our first refreshment trolley service will be after Bundaberg when we are fully staffed. So I appreciate your patience between now and then there, folks. If anybody does require any refreshments sent to their seat due to limitations of moving about the train, please alert James and myself as we're coming through checking your tickets. So once again, folks, on behalf of the crew, welcome aboard. We do hope you enjoy your journey. See you shortly to check your tickets. Thank you.
How are you?
Any rubbish from anybody up here?
Bundaberg, country of the First Nations people, the Tarrabalang, Gurang, Bailey. I welcome you in the Tarrabalang language.
Bundaberg will be located on the left side.
Don't forget to get back on. Oh, stretch it out. I'm not keeping this as well.
Car park area, which is opposite the entry exit point to car E, and we'll make an announcement across the platform to invite you back on if you are out there stretching your legs. But if you are leaving us here at Bundaberg, on behalf of the crew, thanks so much for choosing to travel with us this morning. We do hope it's been a pleasant journey for you. We've got Bundaberg shortly on the approach, platform here on the left hand side, here for about 5 minutes. Thanks folks, welcome to Bundy.
You reckon you can do it for 5 minutes?
Do you want to launch my bag?
Yeah.
Right.
If this bridge collapses, plus if we do have to do, there's a boat just right there. So they can make sure that we're all safe. Yeah. Oh, we can.
Customers on board this service to Brisbane. customers are advised that staff members are now making their way through the train checking tickets. If you've just joined this service, please ensure you have your tickets, along with any concession card used when purchasing your ticket, on hand for inspection. Located in the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a safety card. Please now take a moment to read this card or watch a TV monitor near you. Please also take a moment to ensure that your tray table is properly secured. While moving through the train, please ensure that you utilise the grab rails and seat backs. Customers are advised that it is an offence to smoke on Queensland rail platforms and on this train. Smoke detection devices have been fitted to all areas and fines may apply. As this is a licensed venue, customers must not consume their own alcohol while on board. For your convenience, you'll find the amenities located at the end of each carriage behind the yellow doors. If you're travelling in car A, the amenities are located at the rear of your carriage, behind a blue sliding door. There's an entertainment system in your armrest. Headsets are located inside the seat pocket in front of you, and details of the onboard entertainment can be found in your complimentary Onboard magazine. As many of our stops we make along the way are brief, please remain on board this train unless you've reached your destination. Further announcements regarding catering will be made shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
And a very good morning to everybody. A warm welcome aboard to our customers that have joined us at Miriamvale and our Bundaberg stations. You're travelling on board Q992 with the Rockhampton Silk Train service, making our way through to Brisbane Roma Street today. We're stopping at all stations as we go down the coast. Folks, my name's Brendan. I'm your train supervisor for the journey through to Brisbane today. Working alongside me is James. James is your passenger attendant. James and I will be coming through shortly to check your tickets for those of you who have joined us at Bundaberg. So if you can kindly have your ticket ready with any concession cards that you've used when you've made your booking. For those of you who have yet to download the rail ticket that was attached to the email info.
Hey, look at the caravan, huh?
And then I can lock it again.
Oh, that many.
That's what the mods that I use are for. And plus, I'm gonna.
There's 10 people getting on to be half of the town.
Go try my own. Oh. I think I found out a perfect place.
Now Maryborough West is also the transfer point for our customers that are booked through to Harvey Bay or into Maryborough Township using the rail bus connection coach, which is waiting our arrival, and you will find just outside the entry exit point to Maryborough West Station here. So folks, if Maryborough West is your destination station, now's a great time just to check your surroundings with your personal items. That also includes just checking the overhead compartments there. Just be careful when you open the lid though.
Gotta be fair, right?
Just minding elbows and feet, thanks. And your jacket. No. Beautiful. Big.
Personal items, and if you've got any personally stowed luggage in the luggage racks, you don't forget to collect that before you leave the service. For those of you heading further south, we'll be here for approximately 5 minutes time, so if you wish to stretch your legs, this will be an opportunity. Just a kind reminder for our smokers and vapors on board that it's an offence to smoke on the platform. Here at Gympie North though, can you kindly make your way across to the white platform fence if you wish to partake, just not on the platform itself, or make your way out to the car park area just beyond the awning here at Gympie North Station. About a minute before we're due to depart, we'll ask the station master to place an invitation announcement across the platform to have everybody rejoin the service.
I'd like to tell him that he won't make it, but I'll
Still nice and green here.
Again, very good afternoon folks. Rockhampton Tilt Train shortly on the approach now to Karoi Station. Platform here will be on our left hand side in the direction of travel. So Karoi is your destination station. If you can kindly just check your surroundings and prepare for disembarkation. If you've got any luggage on the luggage racks, please don't forget to get that as well before you leave the service. And if you are leaving us here in Karoi on behalf of the crew, it's been a pleasure to have you on board. We do hope you've enjoyed your journey. But just reconfirming, it is Karoi coming up very soon. Platform here on the left. Thank you folks. Welcome to Karoi.
Why can't
It's a tilt train. What do I say?
How did you search up how to enter from the front?
That's the one you go back on, right?
Yeah, but I can't connect this to the front.
So, but it wouldn't get to Gladstone until about 6 at night.
Yeah, but yeah, so you'd have the whole day, wouldn't you? Well, that'd be alright.
Check luggage at the rear of the train. Thank you.
Homeless people down there. All the rubbish, absolutely everywhere.
Same everywhere, hey? If you don't do something, it's going to get worse.
The train for you to collect. For our customers leaving in car A, kindly be patient when the train comes to a stop. It is a requirement for us to place a platform ramp into position to ease with disembarkation there in Caboolture. And once that's in position, you are welcome to leave the service. Just being mindful, folks, that the floor just outside the bathroom is a little bit damp. We've done our best to try and mop up with what facilities we have here on board, so just please be extra careful. For those of you that need to get beyond Caboolture today, just a reminder that your tilt train ticket does provide you with a complimentary side trip up until midnight tonight to anywhere on the City Train network, the only exception being the airport. All that means is once you join the suburban network to get to your final destination, you are asked to show a ticket when you get to the other end. Just show them a tilt train ticket and they will certainly let you through a complimentary journey as a tilt train customer today. For those of you that are travelling further southbound, once we depart Caboolture stations, the tilt feature of our service will be disengaged as we travel through the suburbs, so we kindly ask everyone to remain in their seats for the last part of the journey into Brisbane. If you do need to move about the train, just kindly steady yourself using the racks or the backs of the seats as you're walking through the train there, folks. Once again, on the approach to the Caboolture platform here on the right hand side, here just long enough to say goodbye to our customers, and we'll keep going to try and make up some time. Thanks folks, welcome to Caboolture. So folks, got a bit of information here. So for those of you that use the check luggage facility here on the way through to Brisbane today, you'll need to listen to this announcement. And again, I'll remind you as we're coming in close to the city. So first off, for our customers who have checked their luggage in at Rockhampton this morning, you'll find your checked luggage outside the doors to car B for Bravo. So Rockhampton, car B. For those of you who joined us in Gladstone with any checked luggage, you'll find that outside the doors of car E for Echo. It's E for Echo for Gladstone. For those of you who checked your luggage in at Bundaberg, you'll find that at the leading end of car F, so not at the trailer at the end of the train, but just at the door prior to that. So car F for Foxtrot for Bundaberg. For those of you who checked your luggage in Harvey Bay and Maryborough, so Maryborough West there, that's car C for Charlie. For a customer that checked their luggage in there at Gympie North, that will be at the end of the train with me, so the rear of the train.
Your ticket, along with any concession card used when purchasing your ticket, on hand for inspection. Located in the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a safety card. Please now take a moment to read this card or watch a TV monitor near you. Please also take a moment to ensure that your tray table is properly secured. While moving through the train, please ensure that you utilize the grab rails and seat backs. Customers are advised that it is an offence to smoke on Queensland rail platforms and on this train. Smoke detection devices have been fitted to all areas and fines may apply. As this is a licensed venue, customers must not consume their own alcohol while on board. For your convenience, you'll find the amenities located at the end of each carriage behind the yellow doors. If you're travelling in car A, the amenities are located at the rear of your carriage, behind a blue sliding door. There's an entertainment system in your armrest. Headsets are located inside the seat pocket in front of you, and details of the onboard entertainment can be found in your complimentary onboard magazine. As many of our stops we make along the way